You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of these. Let's call it a cocktail, even though it's not that elaborate. It's red wine and Coca-Cola or Coke in equal parts, pretty much, so it's easy. It's a word, therefore, from Spanish, or more precisely, Basque country. This is why you have this TX spelling, which is more Basque than Spanish, and it's pronounced in Basque and Spanish as Kalimotxo. Kalimotxo. The X is pronounced like a ch. The Kalimotxo cocktail, Kalimotxo recipe. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.